అందరికీ నమస్కారం. सबको नमस्कार. Waterfall or traditional project management course. Chapter 3 is project execution, running the project and project closure. It includes number 1 commonly tracked items, project schedule, status of action items, key tasks and activities, progress toward milestones, costs, key decisions changes, dependencies and risk to projects. Number 2 project status report components. It includes project name, date, summary, status, milestones and tasks, issues. Number 3 project status report used. It includes to improve and simplify communication across the team, keep everyone including key stakeholders informed, request more resources and support, create structure and transparency by recording the project status in a centralized place. Number 4 execution and closing phases. It includes create a project status report, conduct a ROAM analysis, write an escalation email, create a presentation for your team, plan a meeting to discuss open issues, create a report to close the project. Number 5 technique of risk management. ROAM analysis, resolved, owned, next accepted and mitigates. Number 6 escalation email best practices. It includes maintaining a friendly note, state your connection to the project, explain the problem, explain the consequences and make a request. Number 7 quality management concepts. It includes quality standards, quality planning, quality assurance, quality control. Number 8 goals of UAT. Demonstrate that the product, service or process is behaving in accepted ways in real world scenarios. Next, show that the product, service or process is working as intended. Next, identify issues that need to be addressed before project completion. Next, number 9 best practices for effective UAT. Define and write down your acceptance criteria. Create the test cases for each item that you are testing. Select your users carefully. Write the UAT scripts based on user stories. Communicate with users and let them know what to expect. Next, prepare the testing environment for UAT. Next, provide a step-by-step plan to help guide users through the testing process. Next, compile notes in a single document and record any issues those are discovered. Next, number 10 managing UAT feedback, bugs or issues. Next, change requests. Number 11 identify project program portfolio. Next, number 12 data driven improvement framework. In DMAIC, full form is define, measure, analyze, improve, control. In PDCA, it includes first plan, do or fix the problem, check, compare your result, act or fine tune the fix. Next, number 13 main purpose of retrospective, encourage team building. Next, facilitate improved collaboration and promote positive changes. Next, number 14 steps of project retrospective. It includes project summary, key accomplishments and lessons learned. Number 15 types of project metrics. It includes productivity metrics and quality metrics. Number 16 identify common types of data. It includes milestone is productivity metric, task is productivity metric. Next, projection is a productivity metric, duration is a productivity metric, number of changes is a quality metric, Issue is a quality metric. Cost variance is a quality metric. Next, number 17, data ethics. It includes data ethics. Next, comply with regulations. Next, show that they are trustworthy. Ensure fair and responsible data usage. Minimize biases and develop a positive public perception. Next, number 18, data privacy and data bias. Number 1, data privacy. Number 2, increasing data privacy awareness. Number 3, using security tools. Number 4, anonymizing data. Number 5, data bias. Number 6, types of bias. Number 7, sampling bias. Number 8, observer bias. Number 9, interpretation bias. Number 10, confirmation bias. Number 19, there are 6 main steps involved in a data analysis. Number 1, ask. Number 2, prepare. Number 3, process. Number 4, analyze. Number 5, share. And number 6, act. Next, in 20, different tracking methods. Gantt chart, next roadmap, next burn down chart will be there. In 21, data visualization tools. It includes dashboards, next KPI, next burn down chart, next infographics. In 22, 5 factors of impact team effectiveness will be there. Number 1, psychological safety. Number 2, dependability. Number 3, structure and clarity. Number 4, meaning. Number 5, impact. In number 23, Bruce Tuckman's stages of team development will be there. It includes forming, next storming, next norming, next performing and adjourning. Number 24, 4 steps of effective influencing will be there. Number 1, establish credibility. Number 2, frame for common ground. Number 3, provide evidence. Number 4, connect emotionally. In number 25, organizational sources of power will be there. Those are role, information, network and reputation. Number 26, personal sources of power will be there. Those are knowledge, expressiveness, history, character, what is influencing. Next, conquer force steps. Next, establish credibility. Next, frame for common ground. Next, provide evidence and connect emotionally will be there. In number 27, principles of effective email writing. State what you want clearly. Keep the content short and concise. Structure your writing. Check grammar, punctuation and spelling. In number 28, common communication tools will be there. Those are messaging, virtual meetings, work management and collaboration tools. In number 29, effective meetings. Those are structured, next intentional, next collaborative, next inclusive. In number 30, types of project management meetings. Project kickoff meeting, status updates meeting, stakeholder reviews meeting, project reviews meeting will be there. In number 31, the impact of skipping project closure steps. It includes all work is done. Next, all agreed upon project management processes have been executed. Next, you have received formal recognition and agreement from key stakeholders that the project is done. Next, avoiding the impact of project closure oversights. Next, oversights are skipping steps in the closing phase of a project can impact the products or services scheduled launch dates. Next, put your organization at a legal risk. Next, result in a significant financial losses to your organization. Next, undermine your team's credibility and yours and damage your relationship with the customer or client. These all comes under the impact of skipping project closure steps. Number 32, closing process for customer and stakeholders. It includes steps to conducting a closing process after each phase or milestone. Next, refer to prior documentation. Next, put together closing documentation. Next, conduct administrative closure of the procurement process and make sure all stakeholders are aware that a phase or project is ending. Number 33, benefits of retrospectives. It includes encourage team building, facilitate improved collaboration and promote positive changes. And in number 34, the closing process for the project managers, project closure report or retrospective summary. These are details about chapter 3, project execution, running the project and project closure. In the next vlog, chapter 4 will be there, that is the last chapter in Waterfall or a traditional project management course. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section and subscribe the channel also. Thanks for your support. Jai Hind.